Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the captivating world of interior design. Whether you are a seasoned designer or just someone looking to spruce up their living space, this video is for you. Get ready to explore the art and science behind creating stunning interiors that not only look amazing but also function flawlessly.
Welcome everyone, this is Bhuvan Speaks, and I'll be your guide through the creative and innovative field of interior design. Today, before we delve deep into the field, into interior design, let's look into the history first. So, let's begin.
Interior design has a rich history dating back to ancient civilizations like Egypt, Greece, and Rome. Back then, decorative arts and architecture were used to enhance interiors, setting the stage for the evolution of design throughout the centuries to come. Fast forward to the Renaissance period, where interior design became more elaborate, focusing on symmetry, balance, and harmony. The 18th and 19th centuries saw a surge in luxury, with ornate furniture and textiles dominating interior spaces. But it wasn't until the 20th century that interior design truly transformed. Modern and contemporary styles emerged, emphasizing simplicity, functionality, and minimalism. Today, designers continue to push boundaries, exploring new materials, colors, and textures.
Welcome back. Now that we have looked into the history, let's go and learn about the fundamentals. So, let's uncover the fundamental principles of interior design. And it's really important as it serves as the base and backbone of every design project. So, let's go ahead.
First up, we have balance. Whether it's symmetrical or asymmetrical arrangements, balance creates a sense of equilibrium in a space, ensuring everything feels just right. Next, proportion is the key. It's all about maintaining the right relationship between objects to achieve a cohesive and harmonious look. It's difficult, but it's important. Emphasis. It helps to create focal points that draw the eye and add visual interest. Think bold colors, patterns, or unique lighting fixtures. It definitely enhances and emphasizes a single element or the part that you want to highlight. Contrast adds depth and dimension by pairing elements with different characteristics, like light and dark or rough and smooth textures. There are multiple variety and different examples for the same element, but these are the basics. And finally, unity ties it all together. It's about creating a cohesive and harmonious overall look through careful selection and arrangements of elements. This is the most important element, which brings out the beauty of the creation.
Now that we have seen fundamentals and understood what the fundamentals of interior designs are, let's get into the elements. Let's break down the essential elements of interior design that form the building block of every stunning space. It's really important, and bringing in every element together is a challenge in itself. So, learn it carefully.
Space is the foundation, defining the physical area we're working with and setting the stage for the entire design. Lines add visual interest and can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal, guiding the eye throughout the space. Form refers to the shape of the object, whether geometric or organic, adding structure and style to the design. Texture brings tactile quality to surfaces, from smooth to rough, enhancing the sensory experience of the space. Color is perhaps the most powerful element, setting the mood, atmosphere, and overall vibe of the space. Yeah, you can't argue with that. Vibe is everything in today's date. Lighting is essential, influencing how we perceive colors, textures, and forms, and creating ambience within the space. And finally, patterns add visual interest and depth, whether through repetition of shapes, colors, or textures.
Welcome back. Now that we have covered principles and elements, let's explore the tools and techniques that designers use to bring their vision to life, which is the most important part, as without the proper representation of what you are about to design, what the client needs, you can't go on with the sanctions and everything for proper execution. Isn't that right? So, hang on tight. See you there.
Sketching allows designers to visualize their ideas and create rough drafts of space, mapping out layouts and design. Mood boards help designers curate a visual representation of their concept, including materials, colors, and textures to bring the design to life. 3D rendering takes it a step further, providing a lifelike representation of the design, allowing designers to see how everything comes together in real life. CAD software is a powerful tool for creating detailed drawings and plans, ensuring precision and accuracy in every aspect of the design. And mind you not, it's one of the best and the most important thing what we need. Material samples allow designers to evaluate the look and feel of different materials, ensuring they choose the perfect ones for the design. Lighting design is crucial for setting the mood and highlighting key features within the space, creating a dynamic and inviting atmosphere. Furniture layout is all about maximizing space and functionality, ensuring every piece serves a purpose while maintaining a cohesive aesthetic. And finally, color. Color schemes bring everything together, creating a cohesive and harmonious design palette that ties the entire space together.
Okay, so with this we have cleared and covered the principles, elements, and the tools needed for interior design. So with this you will be wondering, what can I do? So we'll be discussing and looking into few of the exciting career paths this dynamic field has to offer. It's completely up to the designer himself or herself to decide which path to choose, but everything comes under interior design. So here we go.
Residential interior designers specialize in creating stunning homes and apartments that reflect the unique style and personality of their clients. Commercial interior designers focus on designing spaces like office, retail stores, restaurants, and hotels, creating functional yet stylish environments for businesses and their customers. Hospitality interior designers specialize in crafting memorable experience for guests in spaces like hotels, resorts, and spas, blending luxury and comfort for the ultimate stay. Healthcare interior designers play a vital role in creating healing environments in hospitals, clinics, and medical offices, prioritizing both aesthetics and functionality to enhance patients' care. And finally, sustainable interior designers focus on creating eco-friendly and environmentally conscious spaces that minimize their impact on the planet, promoting sustainability for future generations.
With that, we have covered almost all the topics that's needed for the introduction. So, in conclusion, interior design is a captivating blend of creativity, innovation, and technical skill, where every space tells a unique story. Whether you are a designer or someone passionate about creating a beautiful environment, remember that the principles and elements of design are your guiding star on an exciting journey. Before you leave, thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, happy designing.